I'm sharing an easy, glowy Lino makeup look for summer, a new bathing suit, a night at the theater, and more talk on wardrobe and style today on the Daily Connoisseur. Jennifer here, and I hope you've been keeping well. I have a very fun makeup style fashion video for you today. I'm going to start off by sharing how to create this very glowy spring summer Lino makeup look. Merit have sponsored today's video, and they have a new product called the Uniform. It is a tinted mineral sunscreen with SPF 45. They come in so many different shades. It's so nice to have a tinted sunscreen for spring summer to make your routine go so much easier. So I'm going to get into the routine in just a moment, but I wanted to share the offer with you because I've created another custom set with Merit with all of my favorite summer essentials. And that includes the Shade Slick, the Day Glow, the Flush Balm, the Solo Shadow, and the Uniform. So when you click my link down below, you automatically get 15% off your purchase. All right, let's jump into this glowy Lino makeup look. Okay, I'm going to start off with the Uniform Tinted Moisturizer. This is in the shade Camel. It's a little darker than my skin, so it is giving me a bit of a suntanned look. Then I'm taking the Solo Shadow and applying that to my eyelids. This is such a pretty neutral color, but it brings out the eyes so well. Next, I'm using the Clean Lash Mascara to enhance my eyelashes. And now for the glow. I take the Day Glow and I place that on the tip of my nose and on the tops of my cheeks. And then I'm taking the Flush Balm and applying that with the brush. Applying it with a brush gives it more of a filtered look, which I like. So I apply the blush on my cheekbones and my nose to give me some more color. And then I end with the Shade Slick on my lips, and that is it. It's so easy, but I feel sun-kissed and glowy, and I feel like these products bring out my natural coloring really well. So you can get early access to the Uniform before it officially launches to the public. So use my code EARLY to access the new product through my link. This link is password protected, so you have to enter my code to be able to access. And also, I've created an exclusive bundle of my summer favorite Merit products, which includes the new Uniform launch, that you can get for a limited time through my link below. A 15% discount on the bundle automatically applies through my link. I'm so excited because tonight we are invited to the premiere of Life of Pi at the Amundsen. I am so excited to see this. I loved the movie, and I know that the stage production is using puppetry for the tiger, and I know that we are in for such a treat. So quick outfit of the evening. I feel like my hair is looking really good. I hope it translates on camera, but I did the Velcro rollers, and there's like a lot of volume here. I did a bit more dramatic makeup look for the evening. I'm wearing the long sleeve Lily Silk blouse with the lace on the sleeve. This is in my extras, along with the Lily Silk black trousers. It's kind of chilly at night, so I'm not ready to wear dresses, and we're going to be out quite late, so in downtown LA, so I just want to be covered up. And then I'm wearing my Jimmy Choo suede pumps. For jewelry, I'm wearing this pretty Tiffany necklace that Ben got me a while ago, and then my Cartier tank watch. I'm not really going big on the jewelry. Oh, and then my clutch is the Gatsby clutch. This is so old. I do need a new evening clutch. I keep wearing the same thing. But since this is a play about an animal as one of the main characters, I figured that this will actually work quite well for this evening, and it adds a whimsical touch. The evening was so fun. My youngest daughter was with me, and we enjoyed the play so much. It was visually stunning. The most visually stunning play I think I've ever seen. The puppetry with the tiger and the other animals and the way that they made the effects of water with lighting was incredible. If you're in the LA area, I highly recommend seeing Life of Pi at the Amundsen Theater. It's playing until June 1st. Okay, let's talk about bathing suits because swim season is upon us, and I have such a flattering one piece to share with you today. This is the bandeau belt one piece from Helen John, and it is very versatile. You can wear it a few different ways, and I'm also wearing it right now with this tunic. This is the Nola tunic from them, and it's so willowy and pretty, and it just like ties right here. It's just a lovely cover up for the pool or the beach. So let's talk about the bathing suit. Okay, so the bathing suit is very flattering because it has ruching here on the sides, and then it has a padded top, and it's like a legit pad. There's, you know, coverage here, so it just gives you a nice shape and a nice form. And then there are the ties at the waist as well. So it kind of like cinches in the waist and draws that in here. And then as for the top, you can either use this neck strap, or you can take off the strap and have it strapless if you don't want a strap at all. And it's such a pretty bathing suit. They have a bunch of these different types of bathing suits, so this isn't the only one. And this comes in different colors too. But it's super flattering, and I'm excited. This is gonna be one of my bathing suits this season. Okay, I wanted to have a little wardrobe chat about making your outfit work. Because oftentimes, unless you have your clothes made bespoke, which most of us don't, a piece of clothing might need some help. And you'll have to consider the undergarments or how you're going to navigate around certain issues. And so I've dealt with that a few times this season because I find that, and it probably has to do with body shape, I find that things are really low cut on me. They might not be for other people, but I'm not like very voluptuous, you know what I mean? So sometimes a V-neck that might not be so low on someone with a bigger chest is very low on me. So in that sense, there's a few things that you can do. You can either use tape, and I would purchase garment tape when I had the packed dress in the fall winter because that went super low. Another option is to just wear a decorative bra that looks like a camisole. You know, bras these days are not only pretty, but they can also double as a camisole if you just see the top of it. So I definitely have done that as well. Another option is to get a half camisole because sometimes you don't want to wear a regular sized camisole with a dress. Like it doesn't work with the waist, or maybe it feels like too loose or something. So you can buy half camisoles, and these are from Amazon. And this is an example of one. It's like, you know, not all the way down to your waist, but I would wear this. I have one that's kind of like nudish color yellow that I wear under the Merci birdie dress. And you can get them in 3-packs. Like I also have white here as well, but they're just handy to have. You can wear this over a bra or in lieu of a bra. That's what I like to do. I just like to be as comfortable as possible. So those are some examples. Another example is the slip or the undergarment situation. So when you have a see-through dress or skirt, it's good to wear a slip so you're not showing everything, you know what I mean? And sometimes when you're inside, it doesn't look like you are, but then you step out into natural light and you are. And when I went to the baby shower at the Langham Hotel, we all stepped outside onto the terrace to take a picture, and suddenly I was like, I wonder if my dress is see-through. You know, I mean, no one was looking, but I was just curious because I thought, oh, I haven't really tested this dress in broad daylight. I've discussed this before because the Gap skirt that I got was so see-through. But this is the white slip that I would wear under the Gap skirt. This is from Amazon and it's good. It's kind of a thick band, so it makes everything a little bit thicker, which is not, you know, everyone's goal. And then you could find, you know, little slips like this. This is a nude slip with a lace top. And when you wear things like this underneath your dresses, then you could just have that confidence of knowing that they're not see-through, you know? Another idea, of course, is shapewear. And we could do a whole video on shapewear, but you could find, they're not that attractive, but you can find little shorts, and you know, shapewear is so prevalent. There's so many different brands out there. Spanx made it popular, but shapewear, hosiery, and things like that to help correct the outfit. So usually whenever you have an outfit, it's not just the clothes themselves that you're thinking of. You also think of the undergarments, how you're going to make things work, if there's anything that you need to adjust, how you can adjust it in a creative way where you can still wear the outfit and feel comfortable and pretty. So I just wanted to have that little discussion. But if you had any creative solutions to wardrobe conundrums, I would love to hear them in the comments down below. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, everyone. Thank you to Merit for sponsoring. You can get early access to the Uniform Tinted Moisturizer before it officially launches to the public. Use my code EARLY to access the new product through my link. This link is password protected, so you have to enter my code to be able to access. Also, I've created an exclusive bundle of my summer favorite Merit products, which includes the new uniform launch, that you can get for a limited time through my link below. A 15% discount on the bundle automatically applies through my link. Thank you so much for watching today, everyone. Keep calm and remain stylish, and I'll see you in my next video. Love, Jennifer.